Bookmarks. So what is a bookmark? Well, let's say I want to go to google.com. Well, I'm on google.com right now, but let's say I don't want to type www.google.com every single time I want to Google something. Easiest way is on the keyboard. So hold the control key down. It's at the bottom left of the keyboard. I'm going to hold it with my pinky. And I'm going to press the letter D, Control D. This works on Internet Explorer, Firefox, Google Chrome, a few other browsers. Anyway, Control D. Let's see what happens. Okay, so Chrome says you want to add a bookmark. The name, as you can see here, is Google. The folder, which is the location of the bookmark, I want to be sure that this says Bookmarks bar. That's this area up here, and I'll get to that in a moment. Make sure this is turned on. But back to adding the bookmark, I pressed Control D on the keyboard, and now I'm going to just press Done. It does say Bookmarks bar, but I could put it elsewhere. I have other bookmarks, other custom folders I could make. I'm not going to get into that. Let's click elsewhere, and now all I have to do is click Done. Now if we look at the bookmarks bar, I have a Google button. Next time I want to Google or go to Google, I don't need to type in www.google.com. I could just click on this and that will take me back to Google. Let's do another one. Let's say I have Yahoo Mail for some terrible reason. We'll go to yahoo.com and press enter. Now I'm at Yahoo. Well, instead of typing www.yahoo.com every single time, I can just come down here and press Control, hold the Control key down and press D. And there it says name Yahoo, that's fine. Folder, it does say Bookmarks bar. All I have to do is click Done. Now, in addition to my Google bookmark that I made earlier, I now have a Yahoo button. I'm going to go back to Google, click on it. I'm going to go back to Yahoo, very basic. Now this bookmarks bar may or may not appear on your browser. In Internet Explorer, you can go to the View menu and turn on the bookmarks toolbar. With Firefox, I believe the steps are the same. With Google Chrome, and I do hope you are using Chrome or something similar, the easiest way to turn the bookmarks bar on and off is, that's right, the keyboard. And the command for the bookmarks bar is Control. I'm going to press that. I'm going to use my ring finger to press the Shift key. So I have Control and Shift, press down. And then with my index finger, I'm going to press the letter B. Now, it's on right now, so if I do Control Shift B, bookmarks bar is off. Still holding the Control and Shift keys down. I'm going to press the letter B again, and it's back on. So if you do not see this area here, or it seems to disappear on you, Control Shift and B, off and on. And that's that. That's the basics of a bookmark. If you really just want to get fancy, some of my customers prefer to have a link on the desktop. So to create a shortcut on the desktop, and again I called it a shortcut, not a bookmark, they're technically the same thing, but I want to copy this address here, www.yahoo.com. I can press Control-C on the keyboard to copy it, and if that's not something you're ready to tackle right now, I totally understand. Let's go back to the desktop. I'm going to right-click with the mouse, and I get a menu. And regardless of which version of Windows you are using, you should see something similar to this. We're going to go to New. I'm going to left-click on New. Oops, this happens. New, and look for Shortcut. I'm going to left-click on Shortcut. Type the name of the location. In this example, I'm using Yahoo, so I'll just do www yahoo.com. And since I copied it earlier, I could also just press Control V to paste it. But in fact, let's do that now. That's one way. The other way is Control, and I'm going to press the letter V, and it pastes that in for me so I don't have to type it again. And then I click on Next, and then it asks for a name. In this case, I don't want it to be called New Internet Shortcut. That's not helpful. I want it to be Yahoo. There we go. And finish. It says I already have one. That's fine. We'll replace it. You won't see that. So now I have a Yahoo button. Yours will probably look different. But if you double click on that, that will take you back to, you guessed it, Yahoo. So this is the same as the shortcut that I just made on the desktop. Thanks for watching.